Hey guys, just going to let you know simplest way to test a micro switch for your golf cart or whatever it may be. I took this short video. Best way to do it is to take your black lead from your voltmeter and put it on either pole, like so. Take your red lead. Actually, I'm sorry, go back to your, put it on your ohms meter, which is usually the upside down horseshoe or the visual horseshoe with the little thing right there. Test it, make sure it's beeping. Guess you can hear that. And then stick your positive lead on this pole, like so. One-handed, I'm sorry. So you want to get it like that. One on one, one on the other. Click it, it's off. On, off. Simplest way to check a micro switch.